Today we will show you how to design neckline with piping. For this, we have taken this cloth. We will make piping from this cloth and we will make neck from this cloth. First of all, we will trace neck on fusion cloth. This is also known as paper bukram. Now we will fold it in this manner. This is closed side and this is open side. We will take length of the neck as 7.5 inch. And breadth as 3.5 inch. We will make a straight line over here. From the corner we will make the mark of 1 inch. Now we will make a curve in this manner through this mark. Now we will cut this. We will keep margin of 1 inch. We will mark over here. Now we will stick this fusion paper on this cloth. This fusion paper has wax on one side and it's plain on one side. Wax side should be on the cloth and plain side should be up. Now with the help of iron, we will stick it on the cloth. We will leave half inch margin for stitching. Now we will cut the extra cloth. In the same way, you can make any design for the neck by using fusion paper. Now we will show you how to stitch this. First of all, we will make the piping. We have cut the piping in the crossed cloth. This is right side of the cloth and this is wrong side. We will fold it in the way the right side gets inside. Now we will make double stitching on this. First we will close this end of the piping. Now we will stitch along this side. We will leave little cloth over here and leave rest of the cloth. Now we will put some more stitching on this. While inverting the piping, stitches can break, so we will put few more stitches on this. Now we will cut the extra cloth. Now with the help of this needle, we will invert the piping. From the closed side, we will push it forward. On the closed side, piping is broad. After that, piping is narrow. If you make the piping narrow at the end, it will be difficult to invert. This broad end will help to invert the piping. Now we'll invert it in this way. If you are facing difficulty in moving it forward, then you can use this needle in this way to move it forward. Now we will roll it in the fingers to stretch. Now our piping is ready. Now we'll stitch the neck. First of all, we will fold the extra cloth over this and stitch along the side. We'll make a mark on the center. Now on the top, we will fold it and keep it together and make a cut mark over here. In this we will make the bodies. First we will mark the shoulders, which is 7.5 inch. We are taking armhole as 7 inch. We have cut the stripe of 1 inch. Now we will fold it once on this side, then again on the other side, and the last fold in this way. Now we'll stitch along the side. Now we'll cut this stripe to make small pieces. Similarly, we will make some more pieces like this. We will stitch the stripes in this way. To make this, we'll take one stripe and keep it below the piping, then roll it over like this. After that, we will move it forward and stitch along the side. Similarly, we will attach the other piece of stripe. We have attached all the pieces of the stripe. Now we will make the neck. On this we will make neck. We have made this mark for neck, which is 6 inch. This is shoulder and this is center. Now on this we will put this neck. This is center of the neck. This is center of the bodies. We will align them. The mark of the neck should be aligned with this, and the other mark of the bodies should also be aligned with this. After that, we will make stitching at the center. We'll align these marks and stitch along the center. Now we'll stitch along this side, not on the fusion paper. We will keep little cloth and cut rest of the cloth for making neck. Now we'll make cut marks over here. We'll remove this stitching. We will fold this below and stitch along the side. The piping which we have made, we will stitch this with the neck. We will keep the loop below the neck in this manner. We'll leave some place for stitching and start from here, because while joining shoulders, this will not be seen. So we are leaving some space. Now we'll stitch along the side. Carefully see that the distance is even for all the loops. So maintain same distance for all the loops. We will leave the margin for stitching for shoulder and remove unused loops. Now we'll cut extra piping. So our neckline is stitched and it's ready. You can use this design for deep neck or broad neck. Even you can use this design if the shoulders are falling off. Make it deeper for back neck.
If you like this video and want to watch more such videos, then subscribe our channel. You can even like us on Facebook.